We'll need some images to introduce our video and our categories, and we've been doing those in Photoshop. So now it's time to turn them into actual images that we can use. This will be my intro, places, food, and then my last category, movie genres. I'm going to do intro first, and as usual, I've provided some file names for you I want you to use. I'm going to copy this and then go to my export. It's File, Export. We're going to use Quick Export as PNG. Make sure you're in your project folder. You'll notice I don't have any PNGs, so that's why you don't see anything. I'm going to Control V, paste, and save. Now for places. I'm going to copy my first category and then export. Quick export as PNG again. I paste, and if you want to add something at the end, you can. Just paste again and change the number. And this is food. No, yes. And finally, my movie genres. Now our project folder has our Photoshop file and 1, 2, 3 category titles, along with that intro right there. You're going to turn in all 5 of those files.